Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel PlayStation Networks and the error problems. PlayStation Network has been stated updated. The checking has been refreshing now. Officially, the website it has been PlayStation Networks and the account managers account and social media PlayStation videos and the PlayStation has been logging issues problems all server hour expansion issues. The all gaming The all gaming has been connected. PS stations and PS5 and PS4 is not connected and stated updated the crashing problems. But any problem the update and resolving update first of all. The officially recommended the problem the update the short videos. First of all, the Squadron has resumed. The officially sport team the selected. Click the sport team PlayStation officially team the officially website and zoom out, check here and sport team the selected and officially the sport team the clicks the first of all logins and the officially team the share live chat the problem the update now two step the X tutor handle open and officially team the PlayStation network the officially handle X handle the team the share problems and officially team the reply the problem the update now and two step the officially try the now